So maybe now you're thinking, okay, Holly, I get the concept, but what does this really look like when it all comes together? Today, I want to show you the full picture, the blueprint that changed everything for me. Not a hype strategy, not a millionaire, not a fairy tale, but a real framework that finally actually makes sense. In part one, I talked about the trap of trading time for money. In part two, I gave you the 3 steps I used to shift out of it. And now, in part three, I want to zoom out and show you all the pieces connect to create your freedom, your clarity, and your consistency. The blueprint, just simple and clear. It starts with a digital product, something that's pre-built that you don't have to create from scratch. Yay! Then comes the mentorship. Oh my gosh, the best. Not a course you're left to figure out alone, but real support from people who've been where you are and where I was. And finally, automation. Systems that deliver your value, educate others, and allow you to earn even when you're not working. I remember the first time I woke up and saw income come in. Oh, yay! And I hadn't done anything that day but live my life and enjoy myself. I wasn't hustling. I wasn't stressed. I was present. That's when I knew this wasn't just about money. It's about freedom. If you're still in the phase of burnout or wondering if it's too late, I want you to know this. You're not behind. You're just one decision away. Drop blueprint in the comments if you want to explore how this could possibly work for you too. And if you missed part one and part two of my 3-part mini series, go back and watch them. I'll connect the links in description. Each video builds on the last one, and together they show the real path to building income that finally fits in your life. You're not stuck. You're just getting started. Stay tuned.